How to get HBO Max on Directv. First, on your Directv receiver, tune into any HBO channel. Press the info button on your remote control. Follow the on-screen prompts to access HBO Max content directly through TV receiver. You can also use HBO Max app. First, go to the App Store on your smart device, search for HBO Max and download the app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Tap on Sign In, select Sign In through TV or mobile provider. Choose DirecTV from the list of providers. Enter your DirecTV credentials, username and password to log in. Open the HBO Max app on your smart TV or streaming device. You will see an activation code on your TV screen. Once signed in and activated, you can browse and stream HBO Max content directly through your TV, computer, or mobile device. Thanks for watching.